everyone, I'm Priyanka Bish from DPS Lamachor. Today in this session, we'll be continuing with the topic Accounting Treatment of Bills of Exchange. So under this, we'll be studying about the first case. First case is when the bill is retained by the drawer in his own possession till the date of maturity. So in this case, the drawer himself receives the amount of bill on the maturity date. So following entries will be passed in the journal book of both the parties. Both the parties will be, one will be the drawer, second will be the drawing. Now here are the transactions. First transaction will be when X sold goods to Y. So in the books of X, who is a drawer, we will write for this transaction entry will be goods have been sold to Y. Journal entry will be Y account debit to sales account. So here Y's account has been debited because Y is a personal account, and according to the rule of personal account, we have to debit the receiver. Goods have been gone from the business or goods have been gone from X. So here goods will as considered as real account, and according to real account, credit what goes out. So here we will credit sales account in case of goods. Now narration for this entry will be goods sold on credit. Now in the books of Y, the entry for this transaction will be purchases account debit to X. If X has sold goods to Y, this means the Y has purchased goods from X. So here purchases account will be debited and X account will be credited, and narration will be goods purchased on credit. Second transaction is when X received a bill duly accepted by Y. See, when the drawer draws the bill, he gets it signed by the drawing. So here when the drawer draws the bill, he gives it to Y. Y signs on the bill and give that or return that bill to X. That means here the X is receiving BR. So entry for this transaction will be BR account debit, as he is receiving bill receivable and he is receiving from Y. Narration for this entry will be acceptance received. Bills receivable is debited because X is receiving the bill which is signed by Y and he is receiving from Y. That is why Y account is credited. Now for Y, this BR is considered as bills payable. So here Y is signing on the bill and he is returning to X. So here journal entry will be X account debit to bills payable, as this bill is considered as bills payable for Y because Y is the drawing. Narration here will be acceptance given. And the last transaction is when the bill is retained by X till the date of maturity and Y pays the amount of bill on maturity. That means after the duration of specified time period, Y is paying the amount of bill to X. That means X is receiving the money. So we will debit bank account to BR as X is receiving the money of bills receivable. So here narration will be amount of bill received from Y, and in the books of Y, as Y is paying the amount of bill to the drawer. So here the entry will be bills payable account debit to bank account, as Y is paying the bills payable in the form of cash. Here narration will be amount of bill paid to X. So these are the transactions of the entry of which is recorded in the books of both the party. Now here is the practical question based on the first case of accounting treatment of bills of exchange, where the bill is retained by the drawer till the date of maturity. Question is, on 1st January 2017, X sold goods to Y for rupees 50,000. On the same date, X draws a bill on Y for rupees 50,000 due after 3 months. So here X is the drawer and Y is the drawing, and the specified time period of bill is 3 months. Y accepted the bill and returned it to X. X retained the bill till the due date and Y meets the bill on the due date. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of both the parties. So first we will be preparing the books of X, who is a drawer. Now according to the question, on 1st January 2017, X sold goods to Y. So journal entry for this transaction will be Y account debit to sales account. In the books of X, we will record Y account debit to sales account as goods have been sold to Y. Narration will be goods sold to Y on credit. Amount is 50,000 and 50,000. Now on the same date, X draws a bill for rupees 50,000 due after 3 months. Y accepted the bill. Y accepted the bill on the same date. So here the date will be same, 1st January. Y accepted the bill, signs on it and gives it back to the drawer. So here the drawer is receiving BR. So we will debit BR account debit to Y account. So drawer here is receiving the bill from Y after his acceptance. Amount is same, 50,000 and 50,000. Narration will be acceptance received from Y. Now, on the due date, Y has returned the amount of bill to the drawer. So due date here will be after 3 months. 3 months from 1st January. So from 1st January to 1st February is 1 month. 1st February to 1st March is 2nd month. And 1st March to 1st April is 3 months. So 3 months is ending on 1st April. We will add 3 days as a grace period. So here the due date will be 4th April. And the entry will be here, X is receiving the amount of bill. So we will debit bank account debit, and this bill is received from BR. Narration will be amount of bill received, and amount is 50,000. So now we will prepare the books of Y, who is a drawing. Now according to the question, on 1st January 2017, when X sold goods to Y, this means Y has purchased goods from X. So entry for this transaction will be purchases account debit to X. Narration will be goods purchased on credit from X. Amount is 50,000 and 50,000. Now on the same date, acceptance has been given by Y to X. So here Y has given bills payable to X. Entry will be X account debit to bills payable account, and date will be same, 1st January. Amount is 50,000 and 50,000. Narration will be acceptance given to X. Now, according to the question, on the due date, the amount of bill has been paid by Y to X. So, due date we have already calculated. Due date of the bill is on 4th April. Here Y is paying the amount of bill to X. So, entry will be bills payable account debit to bank account. Narration will be amount of bill paid to X. Amount is 50,000 and 50,000. So these are the journal entries which are to be passed in the books of drawing. So here in this session we have learned how to solve the practical question based on the first case of accounting treatment where the drawer retains the bill till the date of maturity. In the next session, we'll continue with some other cases. That's all for today. Thank you.